Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to disconnect the phone which is connected via Bluetooth. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the phone icon. Under phone icon, let's use this icon right here. As you can see here, you've got your connected devices. Now, in my case, there is only one connected device, and now I can use these three dots. Here, three dots. And now you can choose the disconnect option. So let me tap the first option, which is disconnect. And right now I just disconnect my phone from the car. If I tap three dots again, I can also delete the device. So right now the phone is only disconnected. You can connect it again by using your phone, or you can simply delete the device. By deleting, the car will forget about the phone. Now let me show you how to connect it again. So let's go to your phone, let's tap settings, and from the list of settings choose here Bluetooth. Under Bluetooth you should find this car. This is this MBUX. Let me just tap it, and now it's connected. So now if you refresh it and tap connect device, let me tap it again here, MBUX. Let me here tap connect device. Oh, so you just need to tap it here, and as you can see, my phone is now connected right here. So all you need to do is just tap here connected. Let me show you again. Tap disconnect. If you would like to connect it, let's just tap here connect.